Stop using ChatGPT wrong. There are massive hidden features, and today I'm gonna show you exactly how to unlock them. Let's dive right in. You have barely scratched the surface of what ChatGPT can actually do. We are talking about a total game changer, and I'm gonna show you how to unlock it. Are you ready for what comes next? Let's take a look. Welcome to the TECHVERSE. Hey everyone, let's set up a temporary chat. First, go to your settings, tap on the chats option here, and toggle on temporary chat. And that is it. When you're doing a sensitive search, you really need to go incognito. Safety first, always. Safety first, always. And just like that, it's completely forgotten. Let's make this smarter. To do that, we need to set up some custom instructions. This will save us so much time. Let's dive right in. By filling out these custom instruction fields, you can tailor the AI's responses to match your specific style and tone perfectly. This saves you so much time. Wow, it actually remembers all of that. This is like having a perfectly trained assistant. These features bridge the gap between a tool and a personal AI companion. It is about making technology feel truly personal. Honestly, these custom settings changed everything. My daily workflow is now faster and much more organized. I can finally focus on being creative. Now look at the screen. Everything runs smoothly. No lag, no crashes. Just pure efficiency. That's how you connect the dots. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found these tech tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to TECHVERSE for more content. Did you know ChatGPT can now remember things across chats? Just go to Settings and turn on the memory feature. This makes your AI assistant so much more personalized. Let's test it out.
A full system redo.
Wow, it already knows my background. That saves so much time. Hey, how are you doing today? So what's my schedule looking like for today?
You have a meeting at 2.
Perfect. Can you push that to 3? I really need to finish this recording first.
No problem at all. I'll handle
Awesome. You are the absolute best. Hey, let's start with the market analysis. Then transition to the case study. We need to highlight the year-over-year growth. Perfect. Save that structure. Now let me show you the real magic. You just type the @ symbol, and there it is. This brings up all your custom GPTs. I'll just pick my creative writer, and we are ready to go. This setup is saving me days of work. That is exactly what I needed. All right, let's open up the new canvas mode. Now we have our chat on the left and our script on the right. This makes creating so much faster. Now, let's upload our massive data file. Just drag and drop it right into ChatGPT. And just like that, we're ready to analyze. Let's see how well this summarizes. Wow, that is incredibly accurate.
Welcome to the all-new GPT store. Here, you can explore endless specialized tools.
Wow, it is actually working perfectly. That is going to save me hours every day. Let's see how ChatGPT handles live search. Wow, look at that! It's pulling headlines in real time. This changes everything for research. Let's see what the AI can find for us. It's scouring the web in real time. Look at those fresh sources rolling in. This makes research so much faster. Imagine having a direct window to data right as it happens. Access to up-to-the-minute information changes everything. You are no longer stay ahead simply by knowing first. Now, let's master the system prompt. This technique gives you full control. It defines the AI's persona and its exact behavior. Let's build one together. Perfect. That is exactly how I do it. This single technique is what separates the power users from the casual ones. You need to master it. And that concludes our top 10 features. We have covered a lot of ground today. I hope this deep dive helps you master the software. Let me know your favorite feature down below. From memory to Canvas to custom GPTs, it streamlines everything. I really want to know what you think. Which feature blew your mind? Drop a comment right down below. Let's get a discussion going. If awesome sly reception. This is just the beginning for TECHVERSE. Hit that notification bell right here because we have so much massive tech content coming your way. I promise you won't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching today. Your support truly means everything to this channel. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. The future is closer than you think.